You ever notice how a woman suddenly shifts her tone, goes quiet, or throws a random comment that makes you question everything? Most guys think it's drama. It's not. It's a psychological trick. And if you don't understand it, you're going to fail the test before you even realize it started. Women test you not because they're evil or complicated, but because they're trying to see one thing. What is really going on inside your mind when the mask drops? The truth is harsh. You get tested because you don't show who you truly are. You try too hard. You hide your insecurity behind jokes, over-explaining, or pretending you don't care. And women can smell that from a mile away. They're not testing your money, your muscles, or your looks. They're testing your emotional backbone, your composure, your internal stability, because that is what tells them if you're actually worth their time or just another guy who collapses under the slightest pressure. One of the most common tests women use is silence. They go quiet and they pull back. They respond slower, not because they're bored, but because they want to see how you react when you're not in control. Maybe she pokes at your ego just a little bit. The next day, she's distant, and suddenly you're doubting yourself, acting weird, or trying too hard. She sees that swing in your behavior. She sees you adapting to her, instead of living your own life. And that is exactly what she wanted to see, B. 'Cause she is checking whether your confidence is real or just borrowed from her validation. And here's the part most men don't want to admit. These tests expose how emotionally trained you are. Not trained by some pickup strategy. Not trained by tricks, but trained by life. If you've built emotional discipline, boundaries, and self-respect, her tests don't shake you. You don't react. You respond. You don't chase. You match energy. You don't panic. You stay grounded. She feels that. She relaxes. Because she sees a man who won't lose himself just because she changes her tone. But if you're shaky inside, her tests will rip you open. Every pause will feel like a threat. Every joke will feel like criticism. The one who has a direction, a purpose, and a life he's actually confident in. When you have that, you don't fear the test. You barely even notice it. And here's the real kicker. Once you stop reacting, the tests don't stop, but they stop feeling like tests. They become moments where she checks your depth, and you pass without even trying. Because you're not playing defense anymore. You're living your life. And she's observing that strength instead of hunting for weaknesses. Women follow emotional strength, the same way men follow physical beauty. Both are instinctive. Both are deeper than logic. So the next time a woman goes silent, challenges you, pulls back, or switches her vibe, don't panic. Don't chase. Don't beg for clarity. Stand still. Stay calm. Keep your life moving. Show her that your mind isn't tossed around by every small emotional wave. Because the truth is simple. Women test you to see what breaks you. And the moment you show that nothing does, that's when she stops testing and starts trusting. That's when she sees you not the insecure version of you, not the desperate version of you, but the grounded, powerful, emotionally steady man you were supposed to be all along.